Hello my friends, welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard. Today I'm cooking a ham and I just wanted to show you how I prepare my ham, and then we're going to cover it with some aluminum foil and put it in the oven. So basically I put the ham face down in the baking pan, and these are whole cloves, and I just stick these all over the ham like so. See? And I go right there. This gives the ham a beautiful taste. And so just stick them all over the ham. I have some pieces of pineapple that I'm just going to put right on the top there. I suppose I could put toothpicks. There. We're just going to cover it. And the oven is preheating at 275. We're going to bake it for an hour and a half, just so it gets warm all over. And then we'll take it out and put the glaze on. So we're going to put this in the oven. We'll be back in an hour and a half. Okay, so we're making the glaze for our ham. I'm adding my own spices. I have cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And I also have ground star anise, which I grounded myself. And I put it in here. See, it's all grounded in there. And I use this here just to ground it like that. So that's all set. And I'm gonna pour this into here. This glaze calls for 3 tablespoons of water, but I added 3 tablespoons of sherry in my pan. And I'm going to add my own spices. And then we'll put this in here. And now I have to cook it over the stove and bring it to a boil. We have green beans and potatoes that are cooking as well. So coming along. Very nice. You can cut it there. See here? See? Okay, my friends, my glaze is ready and it smells amazing. Look at that. Oh, those spices are just beautiful. So we're gonna glaze the ham. Oh my goodness. I have to tell you, my friends, it smells amazing in the kitchen. Okay, we're done glazing the ham, and I had to turn the oven up to 425, and we have to cook it in there so it gets nice and golden brown for 10 minutes, and we'll be right back. Hello, my friends. First and foremost, we have our beautiful Bella bunny bread, and she's our emotional support bread. Okay, and then we have our ham, which I just cooked, which came out beautiful. And here we plated a dinner serving with ham, pineapple, strawberries, mashed potatoes, and green beans. Okay, my friends, now for the taste test. That is so delicious. The spices that I put into the ham when I cooked it, you can taste the star anise, very, very delicate. And then you have the cinnamon and the nutmeg. It is just outrageously delicious. Thank you for watching, my friends. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.